Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Nandito na si DJ Alvin sa inyong harapan. Handa na ba kayo sa saya, kwentuhan at musika? Ito ang Afternoon Drive. Tara na!
Hi everyone, welcome to my live and this is Afternoon Drive and my name is DJ Alvin from European Philippines. At this point ay andito po kami sa Aberdeen Hotel which is for MRJ Fashion Show at kasama ko ngayon ang isa sa mga MRJ ambassadors and or MRJ princess, princess of MRJ. Ayan. And syempre, it's an honor na makasama ko sila at makausap ngayong hapon dito sa Aberdeen Hotel. At may ganap po kami for today's video. Ayan, so bagang lahat, syempre, bumati muna kayo sa mga viewers natin and ready for the shout out or may mga gusto rin na PM. Ikaw, magpakilala ka muna or introduce yourself first.
Hello po, I am Emily Bren Kimberly P. Ibanez or Kim Ibanez. I am 12 years old and shout out lang po sa mga kapamilya ko, the Pamplona family and my other family po, Ibanez family.
Yeah. And how about you po? Kindly introduce yourself and shout out.
Hi everyone, I am Miona Minsta Guzman Sir. You can call me MM and I am 10 years old and shout out po sa mga friends and family ko dyan.
Yes. Ayan, so bilang faces of MRJ, so ilang taon ka nag-start sa pag-model, Kim? I think, di ba, na-meet kita when I was 7 years old, tama ba?
I'm not sure.
Hindi niya sigurado that time. Parang 7 years old, I think so. Yan. First meet natin sa bahay niyo, tama. And sa ibang fashion show. And ilang taon ka na ngayon, Kim?
I'm 12 years old.
12 years old. And you are grade 7 or grade 12?
I'm grade 7 na po, but we're about to do recognition na, so...
Oh, congratulations. In honors naman tayo.
Yes.
How about you, Em? So, ilang taon nga tayo nag-meet that time? Parang, ang late mo pa, parang 5 years old, something like that. Ngayon, ang laki-laki mo na. And how old are you na ngayon, Em?
10 po.
10. So, 12, right? 12 years old and 10 years old. So, bilang faces of MRJ, ano yung mensahe ninyo sa mga katulad ninyong models? Like, for example, isa kayo sa nagiging ambassador ng MRJ. Anong mensahe mo, Kim, sa mga viewers natin?
I just want to say that never give up on your dreams. And sana po na ma-motivate naman po kayo para gumalaw. Gawin niyo po yung gusto niyo. Hindi po kayo ma-awkward dun po sa sinasabi ng iba pong tao.
Yes. How about you, Em? Bilang isang faces of MRJ, ano naman yung mensahe po ninyo sa mga batang katulad ninyo?
Never give up during hardships in life and wag po makinig sa mga bad things and mga masasama na nasasabi sa inyo.
Wow. And na-curious lang ako sa suot ngayon. So, sino yung nag-design ng inyong kasuotan ngayon, Em? Meron ba kayong sariling designer or what?
We don't know po. We're not sure po kung sino yung nagawa po ng dress namin. Pero kung sino po nagawa ng dress namin, shout out na lang po.
Yes. How about you, Kim? Sino yung designer niyan at ano yung inspiration mo sa kasuotan niyan?
I'm not sure din po kung who the designer is. But I think
it's okay. May mga kaba pa rin ba kayo sa mga ganitong larangan? Kasi bilang isang model, dapat sanay tayo sa mga fashion show, yung kaba natin, dapat mawala siya. Sa mga oras ba nito, kinakabahan ka pa, Kim?
yes po.
Yes.
But it's because po, that depende naman po kung kung malaki po siya or madami siyang tao.
Yeah. How about you, Em? Meron ka bang kaba na iniindang ngayon sa mga oras na ito? Ay, bakit?
To be honest, yes po, nakakabahan po ako. Kasi po, may stage fright po talaga ako. Pero, pag naaabot ko naman po yung stage or in the moment na po ako, nawawala na po yung kaba ko. And then, my confidence
and poise is lumalabas na po sa katawan.
Wow. Anyway, M and Kim, kwentuhan niyo naman ako sa mga buhay-buhay ninyo. Paano kayo nagsimula sa pagmo-model? Mauna ka, Kim. Kwentuhan mo naman ako ng buhay-buhay mo kung paano ka nagsimula sa pagmo-model.
I started at like a workshop
Mhm.
in near our house, and I just wanted to like join, and
Uh-huh.
then I asked my mom if I could,
Yeah?
and she said, "I'll try to sign you in." And then the next day, we did workshop po.
Yeah, so until now, you are official model talaga na. If ever na dumating yung point, Kim, ano ba talaga ang gusto mo sa buhay mo paglaki mo maliban sa pagmo-model at bakit?
Mostly my ambition po is to be a veterinarian, a
Mhm.
doctor of pets, because I wanted this dream for like since I knew the word.
Oh. How about you, Em? Kwentuhan mo naman ng buhay mo kung paano ka nagsimula sa pagmo-model.
Kasi po, nung bata po ako, I love to like dress up in
Mm.
fashionista like clothes po. And then napansin po ng mama ko na may potential po ako sa pagmo-model.
Mm.
So, pinapasok niya po ako sa mga modeling competitions, and then pinapasuot niya po ako ng mga gown, and then na-enjoy ko po siya. And then like, I really love modeling. So, ngayon po, pinapasok niya po ako sa mga contest and then modeling. And then nag-start po siya ng MRJ, like right now.
Yes.
Tapos, ngayon po, like model na po.
And then tuloy-tuloy na siya. Oh. Em, if ever dumating yung point na ano yung gusto mo paglaki mo maliban sa pagmo-model?
Actually po, gusto ko po maging scientist.
Oh, gusto mong maabot yung kalangitan, kalawakan, mga ganun ba?
Opo, gusto ko po mag-explore. I want to explore the world and then
Mhm.
explore nature, space, into the beyond. I want to discover new things,
Mhm.
history, like that po.
Oh.
Kasi po, feeling ko po, parang gusto ko po maging adventurous. Adventurous with my mind
Mhm.
and then intelligence, ganun po.
So if ever na maging scientist ka, ano yung unang-unang planeta na gusto mong puntahan? 'Di ba? May mga astronaut na tayo lumapag sa buwan, sa Mercury. If ever lang bigyan ka ng chance ni Lord na maging isang scientist, ano yung unang-unang planeta mo na pupuntahan at bakit?
I want to explore and search Saturn because
Saturn.
to me it's very interesting
Mhm.
because in the whole solar system it's the only planet that has visible rings, and then to me it's kind of interesting why
Mhm.
and how it's the only planet that has rings that are visible.
Wow. So how about your favorites? What is your favorite food first? And why?
I kind of like chicken or sinigang po. Because to me, it's really tasty and really good to my taste buds. And it's really healthy po yung sinigang.
Yes. How about you, Kim? What is your favorite foods and why?
Sinigang po because it's a childhood basis po na kinakain ko po yun.
Yeah. But there's a lot of sinigang. What kind of sinigang? Is like pork, fish, or what?
Sinigang na bangus po.
Sinigang na bangus. Ano yung pinakagusto mo sa bangus, Kim?
Yung chan po.
Ay, same tayo. Pinakamasarap kainin po yung tiyan ng bangus. Yung taba niya, di ba? Tapos something like na medyo maasim-asim yung sabaw ng sinigang. And let's moving on for favorite colors ninyo, di ba? As a model, minsan may mga choices tayong colors na pwede natin isuot sa ating katawan, except the color red right now. So, what is your favorite color?
Blue po.
Blue. Why blue?
Because I see it every day, like
Mhm.
the skies, and I just love it because it's a lively color.
Wow. How about you, F?
In my opinion, I really like light pink or deep red because
Mhm.
it's really, to me, it feels really modern, and then it feels kind of like there's something in me that
Oh.
loves the color, and then it's like something connects to the color.
Wow. Anyway, thank you so much, Kim and M. meron ba kayong gustong pasalamatan ngayong araw? And meron ba kayong mga upcoming fashion show pa or upcoming projects? And siyempre, your social media account na rin to promote. Tunaw natin yung mga dapat na pasalamatan. Sino-sino ito, Kim?
Thank you po for the one who designed this dress. Thank you po to Mom Princess po for inviting me here. And later po I will sing.
Oh, really?
Po.
So you are a performer later on. Good luck. And how about your upcoming fashion show, upcoming projects? Do you have some?
We will go to Thailand po.
When?
Maybe in April po.
For a pageant competition, right?
It's not really a competition po, like modeling lang po talaga.
Oh, so Kim, please do invite all the viewers sa mga upcoming events mo. Kailan to itong inyong international pageant or international fashion show?
So we would like to invite you to go to Thailand with us. And I'm not sure po if when the exact date is, but all I know is that it's in April.
Oh. How about your social media account to promote? At saan kanila pwedeng i-follow ng mga fans mo?
You can follow me on Facebook. My name will be Kimi Banyas. It's my main account po.
Yeah. How about you? Do you have somebody to special mention to thank? Yeah.
I just want to I just want to thank my family because they were the ones who really supported me throughout my journey in modeling.
How about your upcoming fashion show or upcoming projects? Do you have some?
Meron po kami Thailand, yes, kakasabi niya lang po, sa April, and then sa may Korea din po kami. I'm not sure kung kailan lang po. Check niyo na lang po yung MRJ page.
Yes. And of course, your social media account to promote. Do you have some para alam ng mga followers mo kung saan kanila i-follow?
Please follow MRJ on Facebook. All caps po yun. And then, subscribe na lang po sa YouTube channel, Love Adventure.
Yes. So, follow niyo po ang kanilang social media account para alam po nila ang kanilang mga kaganapan o alam ninyo ang mga kaganapan nila Kim and right? Thank you so much, Kim, sa pag-interview. Thank you so much, and nice to see you again po, and good luck later. And that's all, mga kasikat. Once again, this is Afternoon Drive, your host, DJ Alvin. Till next episode, bye!